presenting Ollie's 600 LT to him. I'll talk you guys through a few things we did on the car in terms of the templates, the pattern and the work that's got into the car. And obviously Ollie will talk you through the process as well. So we've done, prior to putting the paint protection film, we did the level 2 detail on the car, which involves this 2-stage paint correction process. Now, we've used a hybrid of Suntec and XPEL film on the car. So all the top sections of the car is Suntec and all the bottom sections are XPEL. The reason for that is Suntec is optically clear at the top sections, and XPEL has more rigid adhesive. So as a consequence, it gives a bit more protection on the lower sections. We've also doubled up some of the lower areas because of impact damage. This is a very, very vulnerable area. We've removed the OEM piece of film in order to have a seamless finish on the lower part of the door, so you don't have a join or a seam here. So that's the length, one of the bits, Ollie, that we've done over and above to make sure that aesthetically it looks really good. And over here, where it's literally front facing, we've actually doubled up the film, so we offer essentially about 400 microns of protection, so it's almost double thickness of normal paint.
Right.
Yeah. So it's quite well protected there, because you can imagine once those trofeos get hot, they will be firing stones straight into that, and it will get absolutely destroyed. Now, a few more of the bits I want to talk you through. Now, again, with customer consent, we go behind the badge, so you don't have a cutout around the McLaren badge. And we've also developed the patterns on 600 LT to actually wrap at the front of the leading edge of the wing, the top of the bumper, and to fit all the way through behind the headlight. Wow. So it's a seamless finish. As we've put infill sections of film patterned and designed, meaning templated by us from scratch, to protect all the inside bits of the splitter, the bumper, so you have the correct level of coverage. These mirrors, other companies do them in 3-piece, we managed to do them in a 2-piece format, again minimizing joints. All these little sections are all protected. The A-pillar wraps into the rubber seal behind here to make sure that that doesn't get affected, and you really don't notice there's paint protection film on the car at all. Amazing. The entire diffuser's been done. It's a mammoth of a task. So really and truly, we put a lot of time and effort to make sure that the car looks right for you. I was, guys, you're watching this, I was joking that Ollie, I think if we both go out with the GT2 RS and the 600 LT, him being on Trofeo Rs, me being on Cop 2 Rs, I think we'll end up crashing into each other, which is going to be quite funny for us out. But no, it's all good. But Ollie, thank you for the business.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and I hope you enjoy the car.